Welcome back to Facebook Monetization. And in this video, we're going to be talking about doing some additional monetization, even though you already have your membership, with live events. Now, just because you're collecting a membership fee on a monthly basis, on a recurring basis, does not mean that you should not do additional monetization and make additional offers to your members. You want to make sure that you're always giving presentations for other products that are further down in your marketing funnel. So in other words, maybe someone has purchased your front end, your lower end product, they purchased your membership, but you also have a more expensive coaching. You also have a higher ticket or a higher dollar value home study course. You want to make sure that those members see those offers and get the opportunity to get it so that they can go at least deeper into the experience and be able to learn more and be able to do more based on your instruction. Now, what you're going to do is, when you have the opportunity, one of the best ways to enhance your membership is to bring in higher profile individuals, people who have a high profile inside of the niche, who can deliver high value content. And then, of course, you want to be their affiliate when they make an offer. Okay, so you want to make sure that the person you're bringing in, they need to have the understanding that yes, they can present their offer, but you really want them to give them good value, good information, and you want your members to hear from someone other than you. You want them to hear from someone who can really give them another perspective on what it is that they're learning. And now you want to do these kinds of events live, because when you have live events, you can always feel free to present other offers when they have them available. You want to try to avoid making offers in the news feed. That's really not necessarily the spirit of a Facebook group. And plus, what you're doing is you're really probably hurting your chances of being able to get them into another membership. You don't want to make it a pitch fest. You don't want to make it a place for them to just get pitched with all kinds of products and services. You want to make sure that membership is valuable. Now, when you do this, you want to have the kind of live events that, again, give you the opportunity to provide great value and to pitch something that, again, you would not present to them otherwise. Now, a lot of these individuals may or may not necessarily be on your email marketing list. Of course, you want to try to get them on that list. But again, if they're not on your email marketing list and they're not necessarily getting those other offers, this is a great opportunity through a live event to present them with an offer, understanding they've already bought something from you once and that they are going to be predisposed to what it is that you have to offer. So you want to make sure you get that offer to them through the live event, through a webinar, through a Google Hangout, through a live teleseminar. Whatever it is that's a live event, make offers that, again, have a higher dollar value and that have a higher perceived value in the minds of your members. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.